Welcome to Famed Computer World. In this video, now I am going to explain about how to write a C++ program to add to number. Okay, so how I will write a addition program. Okay, first I have already told you in my first video. So you have to declare first header file. Okay, first you have to declare header file. Okay, iostream .s. So now I am writing the question like question, write a C++ program to add to number and find out the sum. And find out the sum. Okay. So my question is, write a C++ program to add two number and find out the sum. Okay. This is the question. So first you have to declare header file. This header file is used to use input and output functions. Okay, for input purpose we will use cin function, for output purpose we will use cout function. Okay, got it? Then after that, one more header file is has include conio.h. So this is two header file I have declared. Okay, next after that I will write main function, that is void main. Here main is the function and void is default return type. And I have already told you that each function should have a return type. So here the return type of main function is void, that is default return type. That means it will not return any value. Okay. So after that, you have to declare variable. I have already told you that what variable. What is a variable? Listen carefully. We can't insert value directly to the program, okay, or computer. So then after we have to declare variable to insert values to the program. So first you have to declare variable. So now I am declaring variable which type? Suppose I am taking integer type. Okay, integer type. So I written integer. This is data type. Then variable name like a, b, and sum. Okay. So here I have declared three variables. That is a, b, and sum. This is also a variable. Okay. So which type of variable? Integer type variable. That means if we want to insert value in a, then we can insert only integer type variable, and a b will contain integer type variable and sum will contain integer type variable. So one more thing is that why I declared only three variables, not four variables, not five variables. Why I declared three variables? First you have to think about your question. How many variables will require? Okay, so here my question is add two number. So you will think add two number. That means we will declare two variable. For two number we will declare two variable. Okay, then after that find out the sum. That means after adding that number a value will be occur. So where the value will be stored? So for this purpose I took one more variable. So here a and b is used to insert two variable for the addition purpose. After that, after addition, where the value will be stored? So for that purpose I took one more variable. So these two variable for insert value and also add that value, and after addition to store that value, addition value, one more variable I declared. Okay. Next after that, you have to use CLR SCR function. Why? To clean or clear the output window. Okay, got it? So the purpose of using CLR SCR function is to use or for the purpose to clean the output window. Got it? Then after that, now I will insert value at runtime. For the purpose to reinsert value in runtime, you have to use cin function for insert purpose. So before insert the value, you have to give a question or message to the user, like cout. You have to give a message to the user, like please enter first value. Enter first value. Okay. Then after that, you have to, the message will be displayed at window at the output window. Then you have to insert by using the function cin. So cin function is used to insert value from keyboard. So which variable will store that value? A. Okay, first value already inserted. Then after that, we have to cout. Enter second value. Enter second value. Cin B. Second value will be inserted into variable B. Then after that, already two value inserted. Then you have to add. So here you have to write sum equal to A plus B. Here the equal operator is used to assign the addition value to the sum variable. Okay. So the equal operator work is to assign the value from right side to left side. Never be write that A plus B equal to sum. No, you can write that like, because the work of equal operator is to assign the value from right side to left side. So here the addition value of A and B, the addition value of A and B, whatever the user given or input, that addition value will be stored into some variable. Then after that, you have to display that value, some variable. So you have to write cout and you have to given a message, the addition of two number equal to sum. One thing is that, please watch carefully. If you want to display a message, then you have to write within the double quotation. Okay. So if you want to display the value of variable, then you have to use only the variable name, not double quotation. Okay. Listen, if you want to display a message, then you have to write within a double quotation. If you want to display the value of variable, then you have to use only variable name. Okay. Here the value will be display. Okay. After that, to get the result or to display the result in output window, you have to write get ch function. Okay. You have to write get ch function. Okay. That's all. This is the program to add two number and find out the sum. Now I am going to display you in practical way. Okay. Now I am displaying you. Okay. Just watch. Okay, dear students, now I am displaying you the practical way to add two number in C++ program. Okay. So let's start. First you have to open your editor, that is Turbo C++. Okay. So after that you have to create a file. Okay. Then you have to go to file, then you have to click on new, then after that your file will be open. Then after that you have to save that file, like you have to give a name of file, that is demo 1 I have given dot cpp. Cpp is the extension of C++ file. Okay, so then you have to click on OK button. Okay, so now I am writing the code. Okay, so how you will add two number. Okay, so first you have to write or declare header file, that is hash include iostream dot h. It's a capital letter. Okay, hash include iostream dot h. Okay, then after that you have to declare one more header file is conio.h. Okay, conio.h. Okay, so now I declare two header file. Okay, so after that you have to declare main function. Okay, so now I am writing the main function void main. So here void is the default return type and main is the name of function. Okay, so why I am writing main function? The purpose is writing to a main function is because our program execution starts from main function. Okay, so then after that you have to think about your program. So what is our question is that to add two number and find out the sum. For the purpose of adding two number you have to insert two number. So for the purpose to insert two number you have to declare two variable, and after the addition you have to store that sum value in another location. You have to create another variable also. Okay, so here you have to declare three variables, two variables for input two number and a third variable to store the sum of the value. Okay, so now I am declaring three variables, that is you can take a comma b, and also now I am writing sum, just name of a variable you can write, that's depend on you. Okay, so CLR SCR, one more function I am declaring, that is a CLR SCR. Okay, so what is the purpose to use CLR SCR function? The purpose of CLR SCR function is to clear the screen of output window. Okay, got it? So then after that we have to insert value of two variable. So here you have to declare cout function. Okay, to give a message, to display a message you have to write cout function. So now I am giving a message, enter first value. So you have to mention first value. Okay, then after that for insert purpose, and if you want to give a number from your keyboard then you have to use sin function to insert purpose. So here I will store in a variable, I will be stored, then a value will be inserted. Okay, then after that you have to give a message to insert second number, enter second number. Okay, then you have to use cin function for the insert purpose b. Okay, got it. So these four statements provide us that to insert two number. Cout function I have used for the purpose to display message and cin function to insert value. This is the fact. Okay, so after that I will add that two number. So how I will write? I will write like that, sum equal to a plus b. Okay, so here the value of a and b will be added together, and after the addition the value will be assigned to the variable sum, because here the equal to operator defines that, or it will be initialize the value from right side to left side. You can't write a plus b equal to sum. In this type you can't write, because the purpose of or the work of a equal operator is to add the value and assign the value from right side to left side. Okay, so due to this you have to use where you will store that variable. You will use that here I have used sum variable, sum equal to a plus b. So a plus b value will be stored into the sum variable. Okay, so here the addition operation did. Okay, then after that you have to display the addition value. So you have to write Cout. You have to give also a message, the sum of number is where the sum value has stored in SUM variable. Okay, so you have to display that variable. So after that you have to use getCH to display the output. So what is the purpose to use getCH function? The purpose to use getCH function is to display the output. What? To display the output. Okay, so now I am compiling it. So how you will compile it? By using the Alt F9 key. Okay, so there is no error. Okay, after that, after compilation you have to enter a key, then after that you have to run that application. To run the application you have to use Control F9. Okay, so here a message is displaying that enter first value. So now I am entering the value, that is 5, and then you have to use enter key. Then it is displaying that enter second number. Second number is that also 4. Then after you have to give enter. Then the sum of number is 9. It is displaying. So this is the process to write a simple C++ program without using class to add to number. Okay. So I hope you understood betterly. Okay. Thanks to all.